Sipping in the Bentley, smoking moon. Rocks. Pocket full of mother blue.
What is up, guys? Your boy Tiny, and welcome back to another On The Gas episode. And good morning to all you guys out there. It's bright and early today, and me and my boy Alex with Fresco, we're out here. Me and Alex are gonna run some errands today. But first of all, guys, check out this lineup real quick. Look at this lineup. We got the LBZ, then we got the Panda truck, and right behind the Panda truck, we have that white SS step-side clone that we're gonna keep white. Well, we're gonna paint it On The Gas white, right? You guys chose, and public speaks, we're gonna do On The Gas white. And of course, Panda is the giveaway. Is gonna start this Monday coming up. So make sure you stay tuned for all that. All the details on our Instagram, all our social media, and here on YouTube, we're gonna give you all the details when that comes. But right now, we're gonna take Panda to Speedy Headliners, which is on the north side of Houston. Get the interior done on it. On the SS step side clone, we're gonna take it to my boy Roman at the setup to get the airlines fixed because it has a little leak. We're gonna pimp it out in style with the white LBC. So it's the whole white lineup. Looks sick. We got the Cateye LBZ, the Panda truck, and of course the clone. All Cateyes. We pimping out today, baby. We're pulling out the stunt, and it's gonna be an exciting day, like it always is here. I always like to say exciting days because it's always exciting, especially when you got me, your boy Tiny, in the mix. My boy Perrillo did load these trucks up yesterday. He said, you know what, I'm gonna get ahead of the game since we got an early start, and he loaded them up yesterday all by himself. So big shout out to my boy Perrillo. He's puts in the wrench time here.
Big shout out to Crespo for hooking it up for a Crespo wing on this truck. Y'all, I seen the comments, y'all were asking about it, y'all wanted one, and he delivered.
That's right. My boy Crespo is part of that whole truck culture, the whole On The Gas movement. He always comes through with the wings, gives us the wings. If you're interested in a Crespo wing, you can hit up my boy Freddy at his Project Torque shop, and he'll get them for you, or Crespo.com, and you can order them from there too as well. Gonna look real good.
Real sporty.
Yeah.
Badass truck.
Here you go, Fresco. You know what to do with that? So we're gonna double check the straps, and then we're gonna hit the road, guys. So follow us along on that journey, because here we go. Check these out, guys. I don't know what side of part of town you guys are from, or how you do it in your city, your town, but here in the Pasadena, South Houston area, in the Houston area, we're used to breakfast tacos. You know, big shout out to Taqueria Gonzalez right here down the street. We always stop, get our breakfast tacos. Got my boy Alex eating a fajita taco with homemade tortilla de harina stuff.
Oh yeah, they've been serving South Houston for a while now.
Yeah,
for a while.
And of course your boy Tiny getting that molleja. I got me a molleja with tortilla de harina with a little bit of beans on there. You know, so we're gonna get our breakfast in, and then we're gonna get the day started. Like I said earlier, we got an action-packed day. It's gonna be an exciting vlog. Stay tuned for the rest. Follow us along. Alright guys, so we're here at the setup in the east side of Houston. Came to visit my boy Roman, but he is not here. But luckily his workers are here. They're gonna take care of the truck. We're gonna unload it, leave it here. So the issue on the truck is it leaks on the passenger side, on both sides. So they're gonna take it apart and kind of just run the lines and do what they do and get that fixed. So when it sits up high, there's no leaks. And it's a typical issue with air suspension from time to time. They leak every now and then. And it's just maintenance on them. Hopefully we pick it up here in the next couple of days, because in a matter of a few days, we're gonna go down to the Valley, guys. Remember, Valley vlog is coming, and I'm excited for that one because we're getting a whole bunch of updates. We're gonna be real busy in the Valley. From here, guys, we're gonna head over to Speedy Headliners. We gotta adjust the truck. We gotta put it more towards the center to distribute the weight on the trailer. Since it is a 2-car hauler, we're gonna head over to Speedy's and follow us there. just arrived to the boones, to the wood forest, to somewhere out in the country, out here in the swamps. Where we at, Alex?
Them boonies, as y'all can see, there's a lot of trees.
We're out here in the middle of nowhere. If someone finds this lost footage of me and Perrillo, we were kidnapped.
I'll survive. I don't know about you. I'll survive.
Well, Perrillo will live to tell the story, and your boy Tiny did the best he could. I didn't lose no weight for OTM, and you know, I had bad breakfast tacos today, but hey, it's been a pleasure and all that good stuff, you know. Remember Tiny, hashtag remember Tiny, you know. Anyways, guys, but we're out here in the boons. We came to pick up the motor that we're gonna put those Texas Speed parts on. So the other day at the shop, my boy Marcos came through and he was gonna install all those Texas Speed parts, the heads, the cam, the gaskets, all that good stuff. When we started pulling out the old cam, the cam bearings came with it. So the motor is pretty much had to be rebuilt. It's not trash, it had to be rebuilt. So luckily he has the plug and he was able to get it here to a machine shop. These guys have a machine shop back there. So my boy Marcos was able to get the turnaround quick. In a matter of a few hours, the next day we're here to pick up the motor and get it back to the shop so my boy Marcos could finish everything, put all the parts that we need to put back on there and get that motor ready to take to the valley, because in the valley they're gonna put it in the car. So exciting guys. And after here, we're still gonna go all the way to Speedy Headliners, which is on the other side of town. Luckily, this guy was close to Roman's setup, because Roman's on the east side of Houston, and then this guy's a little further east, and then Speedy's on northwest area or somewhere around there. But yeah. 35 minutes away from Speedy.
Not too bad.
Speedy Headliners, all the way in Oklahoma City, almost. Feels like it. ¿Dónde está Austin?
Ahí no, un poquito antes.
Un poquito antes de llegar a Austin. Aquí andamos. We're here with my boy Speedy.
What's going on, guys?
What's going on? Bruh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Brother, let me hang in this shit. Give us a quick breakdown on what all you're gonna do to this truck. I really don't know what you're gonna do, because Beto ain't doing nothing. I know you spoke with Beto a little bit about it, but just give us a quick rundown on what you plan on doing with it.
All right, guys, so for starters, we're gonna go ahead and do the carpet. As you can tell, we got the rubber mat, so we're gonna go ahead and remove everything, add new insulation, new carpet, and then we're also gonna go with some factory seats. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this seat.
Hey, that's my shop seat. I'm gonna take that with me.
So we're gonna go ahead and add leather seats with suede inserts. And as you can tell, the headliner needs some work as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. We're also gonna color match all the plastics and trims. Steering wheel needs some love as well. And we're gonna go ahead and remove these.
You're gonna make them electric, right?
Yep.
Electric, factory electric with the
Factory
whole
electric.
harness and everything,
Harness
right?
and everything. Yes, sir.
So that's something you do offer here.
Yeah. So we also do sound systems, custom fabrication and stuff. So if you want, you can take a look at this one.
Oh, this is nice. It is like a little peanut butter color, right?
Yeah, this one we're still working on it, but that way you
Oh, this is rad. That's nice.
there's a lot of work that's gone into this one. And I'll show you what it used to look like.
Super clean. Looks real good. I like it. Nothing too wild. The seats are basic. The seats have a little design to it. The carpet looks real nice.
This how it came in.
Okay.
Yeah, so we do a little bit of everything. So like I said, guys, we're gonna do leather seats, electric door panels. We're also gonna customize door panels as well with some speaker pots, because we originally have this little metal mesh that goes on the side.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take care of that. So suede inserts on top, suede inserts on the bottom, leather steering wheel, leather seats, suede headliner, and basically refurbish the rest of the interior.
And then this has a dash cover. We're gonna replace it and put a back original dash. We'll put the original dash in there. And then what you also could do, like you match these colors, right?
Yeah, we go color match everything to your OEM. So especially like around 03 to 06, the original color is called Very Dark Pewter. So that's what we'll color match the whole thing. The seats, the steering wheel, door panels.
So all the plastics and everything look OEM and match.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys in the market for your plastic needs, like the plastic OEM parts, and you get it at a junkyard, doesn't match, or you need it, my boy Speedy could get it and match it to the factory color that you have already. So that's a hell of a deal right there, guys. So this interior is gonna look real sick. He's not going too crazy on it, right? He's going something simple, nice and clean, which is gonna be our way of going all the time. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow.
Now we'll get it out as soon as possible for sure. And we're also doing some custom floor mats as well. So
okay, custom floor mats, all that. So that's good, that's good. Hey, yeah, guys, so we're here at Speedy's. We're gonna drop it off to him, let him do his thing. Hopefully we get it back in a couple days, because the giveaway is gonna start this Monday on this one. Stay tuned to all our social media, even here on YouTube, and we're gonna give you announcements on how you could get entries to win this truck. It's gonna be sick, guys. But with that being said, guys, I think we're gonna let Speedy do his thing here, and we gotta head back to the south side, because we gotta get that motor put together, because we're also heading to the valley this weekend. Speedy, thank you for everything. All right, guys, so we made it back to the shop after running a full day of errands, going to set up, dropping off the SS clone, going to pick up the motor in channel view, and then heading to north side to drop off Panda for the interior. And we're back here at the shop, and my boy Pooh, Marcos, Alex's brother, got a whole bunch of names, already working on the motor, getting everything put in, getting all the parts put in that we showed you previously that we received from Texas Speed. Shout out to Texas Speed. They really came through clutch with all these parts, hooking us up to get this 6.0 put together and put some power down. So far, he already has the cam in there, already has the upgraded oil pump, but I missed all that on footage because I was busy smoking a cigarette. But I'm gonna get the rest parts done. Let's go. Alright guys, quick update. My boy is almost done. He's about 80% done right now. Where you at right now, bro? 80, 90?
I'll say about 80.
80% done. Got the heads in there. Got the cam in there already. Got the heads installed. Got the ARP bolts installed. Got the upgraded oil pump installed. He's just cleaning it up a little bit. I helped him out with the timing. Make sure the timing was right. Looking real good, guys. Whole transformation here. Looking real good. We're gonna let him finish it up, get him wrapped up. And then here in a bit, Beto will be pulling up, and I think we're gonna head over to get the wheels. His wheels that we dropped off the other day. All right, guys, check it out. So I say we, but my boy Marcos. My boy Marcos ended up finishing the build here. We still gotta put the transmission on it, so he's gonna put the transmission on it right now with the stall, get it all set to go, and we're gonna put it on the pallet that's right there, so we can take it to the valley this weekend. Luckily, we have a forklift in-house, and able to do everything we need to do without having to use the tiny force, you know, my power and stuff. But while the guys do that, I'm gonna head over to Azteca Wheels and go pick up Beto's wheels. Beto still hasn't showed up today, but he'll be here eventually. I'm gonna head over there, so follow us along over there. Hopefully when we come back, they have the transmission put on the motor and it's ready to go. So let's go. All right, guys, so we just arrived here to Aztecas, and conveniently they're located a couple blocks away from us. And I think I just seen the wheels. It looks real good. We're gonna go inside, try to get the rundown on it, try to get everything going, pay a man, and get back to the shop because we got a lot more things to do. Aquí andamos con Azteca Wheel Tires. ¿Cómo quedan los rines, compa?
2, 3, mijo.
Bien.
Pues reparamos todo menos cuando son las rutas, ya sabes.
Hey. Okay, guys, so check it out. So one of the tires did have a nail in it. Una tenía un clavo, ¿verdad?
Clavo, Simón.
Sí, ¿a cuál era la que tenía clavo? Era aquella, ¿no?
Era esta.
Y la quitaron y la parcharon, ¿verdad? Le ponían un parche.
Sí.
Luego esta la que tenía el chingazo, ¿verdad?
Estaba doblado ya.
Yeah, it's all done already.
No, pero no
You don't even see where it was no more. And the good thing about these guys, they polish them here too. Tienen la máquina aquí especial para policiarlos, ¿verdad? Y de volada salen. Yeah, they're equipped here with everything and they fix all sorts of wheels. ¿Hasta qué medida arreglan de rines, compa?
Arreglar el que sea, no
El que
importa.
sea, no importa.
Sí, no pasa nada.
Como dijo mi camarada, arreglan todo menos corazones rotos, ¿ya?
Ya cuando no podemos arreglar el ring, lo siento, carnal. Tu corazón te va a romper porque no se puede.
Big shout out to Azteca Wheels and Tires getting these wheels fixed up for us. We're gonna head back to the shop, pay them out, and get going. What you think, Steph?
Came out good.
There it is, guys. Biggest shout out to my homies here at Azteca Wheels and Tires. They're located here in the south side of Houston, in the center of Pasadena, pretty much. Big shout out to them. They repair all sorts of wheels. They hooked us up and got these wheels repaired. So if you're needing to get some wheels repaired and everything, make sure you come hit them up. ¿Dónde están localizados, primo? Si la gente quiere arreglar unos rines.
En el 2701 de la Shaver.
2701 South Shaver.
Yes.
South Shaver. ¿Y el número?
832-883-1251.
Ya está, mi gente. My people, if you're interested in getting your wheels fixed or anything you need done, make sure you hit up my boys here at Azteca Wheels and Tires. Muchas gracias por todo, compadre.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ahí estamos.
Ya está, cualquier cosa, ahí estamos, viejito.
Órale. What a busy day today. And these guys got the motor lifted up. I don't know where's the tranny. Where's the tranny at?
For what? For the car?
Yeah, they should have had this done.
No, we're missing the flywheel, so Alex went to go get the flywheel from Velocity, and then I told Alex to paint it. I guess he didn't pay attention to that.
I told him, I was like, how come we didn't paint it
I told him
anymore?
to paint the transmission like 3 days ago, and it's still outside. It's just,
That's why you seem depressed right now.
that's why, yeah. It's okay. We'll get it done right now.
But there it is, guys. So we're back to the shop. We just picked up the wheels from Azteca Wheels, and we're back at the shop. I figured they would have had the transmission in there, but little hiccups here and there. They gotta go get the flywheel, get that put on, and then they'll put it on and get it on the pallet, because tomorrow we are leaving to the valley.
¿No te da vergüenza que no pudiste levantar estas madres ayer?
I could have, but I just gave up.
No, that means you couldn't.
I could have, but I just gave up.
Güey, Tani, no bien verga ahorita, güey.
All day today, bro. All day today.
Dame una garrita. Ya nos decíamos todas estas madres. ¿Ya estás listo para ponerle big wheels a tu troca, tú, Tani?
Andar así.
Si no tiene chiste, güey, andar batallando, entonces, ¿por qué? ¿Para qué lo haces? ¿Me entiendes?
I got you. El chiste es para caer así.
El chiste es batallar. No puede estar todo fácil, güey.
What is up, guys? So it's pretty much a wrap for today. Today has been a long, productive day. We got a lot of things done. Stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs. So the next one you're gonna see is us getting ready to go to the valley, to the 956 area, and give you an update on all the toys we got over there, because we do have a lot over there. We have a lot going on. Go visit my boy Wakala, my boy Duva, all the homies from the valley, and all the people from the valley. So with that being said, guys, this video is pretty much a wrap. We're gonna see you guys on the next one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, that bell notification, drop a big thumbs up on this video. We're gonna holla at y'all.